square toe is one of the modifications with the certified Farrier of the American Farriers Association. Make sure that you get a nice straight line on the top side. To get a 10 on the square toe of the certified Farrier shoe board, the square toe of the shoe is center of the toe and perpendicular to the center line of the foot with a straight leading edge. Set back from toe, 1/2 the thickness of the hoof wall at the toe. Stock thickness and width is maintained. Use your anvil, all parts of it, to help you accomplish what you're needing to achieve. One of the hardest parts of the square toe is getting those corners and the straight edge on the toe. Take your time. Establishing those corners on the square toe is a huge part of this exercise and this modification. Going back and shaping that toe quarter to shape the pattern will also help you establish that corner of your square toe. Once you have a spot, a corner that you're trying to establish, try not to hit that point of the shoe. Hit up to it and after it, but never on it. You're trying to build that portion up on the shoe. Sometimes creating those corners, trying to forge those corners, you will pinch that fullering or creasing of the keg shoe. Go back, use your own fuller, and fix that. Widen back up. It is a pre-made shoe, but it is still a horseshoe. We still have the tools to make them or to fix them. An important thing with horseshoes is lines, parallel and perpendicular lines. Follow your lines to keep that flow.